Surrogacy is becoming increasingly common in the USA and Europe, especially among couples who face fertility challenges, medical complications, or situations where pregnancy is not possible. But despite its growing popularity, many people still don't understand what surrogacy really is, how it works, or what medical steps are involved. In today's video, we will break down surrogacy in the simplest way possible based on medical knowledge, real-world examples, and modern reproductive science. If you want clarity before considering surrogacy, or you simply want to understand the process, this video is for you. Number 1. What is surrogacy? Surrogacy is a medically assisted reproductive process where a woman known as a surrogate mother carries and delivers a baby for another individual or couple. It is used when a woman is physically unable to carry a pregnancy. Pregnancy poses a health risk. Same-sex male couples want to become parents. A single man wants to have a child. In modern medicine, surrogacy provides hope to thousands of families who cannot conceive naturally. Number 2. Two main types of surrogacy in medical practice. Surrogacy is categorized into two types. 1. Gestational surrogacy, most common today. The surrogate does not use her own egg. An embryo is created using IVF with the intended parent's sperm and egg, or donor sperm, egg if needed. The surrogate has no genetic relationship with the baby. This is the preferred and legally accepted method in most countries because it avoids genetic complications. 2. Traditional surrogacy, rare today. The surrogate uses her own egg. She becomes pregnant using IUI or sperm injection. The child is genetically related to the surrogate. Most countries, including nearly every European nation, avoid this due to legal and emotional complexities. Number 3. How surrogacy works. Step-by-step medical process. Let's explain the process clearly. Step 1. Medical screening. Both the surrogate and intended parents undergo medical and psychological evaluations. Doctors check hormonal levels, reproductive health screening, mental readiness, previous pregnancy history. Only healthy women with a successful pregnancy history are approved as surrogates. Step 2. Creating the embryo. IVF process. IVF, in vitro fertilization, is the key technology used in surrogacy. The process includes 1. The intended mother or egg donor goes through ovarian stimulation. 2. Doctors collect mature eggs. 3. The intended father's sperm or donor sperm is collected. 4. Fertilization happens in a laboratory. 5. Embryos are grown for 3 to 5 days. This scientific approach ensures healthy, high-quality embryos. Step 3. Embryo transfer to the surrogate. Once the embryo is ready, doctors prepare the surrogate's uterus using medications. The embryo is carefully transferred via a simple, non-surgical procedure. If implantation is successful, pregnancy begins. The surrogate then carries the baby for the full term, usually 9 months. Step 4. Pregnancy monitoring. Through pregnancy, regular checkups, ultrasounds, pressure monitor, gestational diabetes screening, emotional support. All these steps ensure a safe and healthy pregnancy. In the USA and many European countries, legal agreements also protect both the surrogate and the intended parents throughout the process. Step 5. Delivery and handover. After birth, the baby is legally and medically handed over to the intended parents. The surrogate receives medical support post-delivery. No genetic link exists in gestational surrogacy, so legal matters are smoother. Surrogacy is often a deeply emotional and rewarding experience for both families and surrogates. Number 4. Why do people choose surrogacy? Surrogacy is chosen for many medical reasons. Absence of a uterus due to surgery or congenital condition, repeated pregnancy loss, severe medical conditions such as heart disease or kidney disease, severe endometriosis, cancer treatments like chemotherapies, same-sex male couples wanting biological children, single men. Choosing parenthood. Surrogacy provides a safe, reliable, and medically supervised path to parenthood. Number 5. Countries where surrogacy is popular for legal gestational surrogacy. United States most flexible, widely used. Ukraine specific regulations. Georgia. Canada altruistic surrogacy allowed. Countries with strict limits. Most of Europe restricts or bans commercial surrogacy, except for altruistic options in some regions. Number 6. Legal considerations. USA and Europe. In the USA, Laws differ state by state. States like California, Nevada, and Connecticut fully support gestational surrogacy. Legal contracts protect parental rights clearly. In Europe, most European countries allow only altruistic surrogacy or none at all. Countries like France, Germany, Spain, Italy, commercial surrogacy is prohibited. Always consult a reproductive attorney before beginning the process. Number 7. Benefits of surrogacy: biological connection to the child, high success rate due to safe medical monitoring, suitable for a wide range of medical conditions. Provides parenthood for same-sex and single-parent surrogacy often creates lifelong relationships between surrogates and intended parents. Number 8. Risks and challenge: like any medical process, surrogacy has risks. Pregnancy complications, e.g., hypertension, gestational diabetes. Emotional challenges for the surrogate and financial cost, especially in the use of legal complexities in some countries. However, with proper medical supervision and legal protection, surrogacy remains a safe option for many families. Conclusion: surrogacy is a remarkable combination of modern medicine, compassion, and science. It allows people who could never conceive naturally to finally become parents. Whether you are considering surrogacy or simply want to understand the process, remember that it requires medical oversight, emotional strength, and legal clarity. For more important health advice like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel.